So this past year we went on a motorcycle trip to Bali. About 12 bikes, a bunch of good friends of ours, and we just wanted to spend a week out there, just explore the island, get to know the people, and just have a really fun time. One of the first things we realized just day one was how glad we were that we brought our Cardos. So there was about half of the group who had Cardo units, the PACKTALK Bold, and the roads out there are just super tight. Managing traffic and going in and out of traffic is just a huge challenge and a huge learning curve.
I don't know how do we do it without having the ability to communicate, other than just, you know, hoping and praying that everyone sees you make that left turn in the midst of all the chaos.
We had some hard lessons as well with some people who didn't have the Cardos, but for everyone who had the PACKTALK on, we all pretty much stayed together. So,
Bali is crazy adventurous, loud traffic, intense, up in your face. Everything's all over the place. Helmet communication is imperative. You want to be able to talk to your people. I mean, if you don't have it, you can get lost. Group A goes this way, Group B goes that way. You're stuck in the middle with nada. You can still have a grand adventure, ride all the way across the country and back and find your way here and there, but it would have been so much easier had I had a Cardo to just be like, guys, you lost me, wait, stop, hurry, hold on.
Having the ability to communicate in those situations is crucial, and that's where Cardo really came in. I couldn't imagine doing it without having that ability.
That said, Cardo has honestly been a game changer for a lot of the trips that we go on. We do a lot of miles and a lot of the content that we create. So thank you, Cardo, for making such an amazing product and one that keeps us entertained on the road with great sound, keeps us connected with the mesh technology, and is just so versatile. We ride through a lot of conditions, so being waterproof is huge as well.